Mix petroleum jelly with salt. This will help you get rid of cellulite. You'll see the effects right away. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly, which many people already use. However, not everyone knows how versatile it can be. If you combine it with salt, you'll get an amazing cosmetic for just a few cents. Scoop 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly into a small, clean bowl. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. This way, you've created a salt scrub. Apply it to the areas of your body you want to treat. After 10 minutes, rinse the scrub off with water. It cleanses the skin and stimulates microcirculation, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to skin cells. This kind of cosmetic should be your constant companion in the fight against cellulite. Try it yourself. You'll feel the difference after the very first scrub. Pour milk into petroleum jelly, and the results will truly surprise you. Start with a small bowl and prepare some petroleum jelly. It's a versatile product that creates a protective layer on the skin and supports the regeneration of dry, cracked areas. Add 1 small spoonful of petroleum jelly to the bowl. Next, grab the main ingredient, milk. You can use any type. Milk hydrates and nourishes the skin, while its lactic acid gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Vitamins and fats in milk help to regenerate and soften the skin. Add 1 small spoonful of milk to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are well combined. It might take a moment, but it's worth it to achieve a smooth consistency. Your mixture is ready. Apply it to your hands and gently massage into the skin, focusing on particularly dry areas. You can also use this blend on your feet to soften and moisturize toughened skin. After use, your skin will feel smooth, soft, and deeply hydrated. A lady at the drugstore shared this secret with me. Drop some petroleum jelly into boiling water. I'll show you how to make your own aromatic balms. Start by taking a small pot and filling it halfway with water. Once the water boils, add 2 containers of petroleum jelly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. During this time, the petroleum jelly will melt and become liquid. After that, carefully remove the containers from the pot. Open 1 container and add your favorite perfume. For the second one, use your favorite men's fragrance. Mix everything well. Then, mark the containers with different nail polish colors to avoid confusion. Place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to harden. After that, they are ready to use. Apply them to your wrists and the area behind your ears. The wrists and the area behind your ears are spots where the skin is thinner and closer to blood vessels. This makes these areas warmer, which helps release the fragrance. The heat allows the perfume to develop better and become more intense. Stick Aloe to your knee and feel a difference you didn't expect. It sounds strange, but it's an old, proven method for natural relief. Aloe has something special inside, but that's not the only ingredient. Cut a fresh, juicy aloe leaf. Now trim the sharp edges and slice it lengthwise in half. Inside, you'll find a cooling gel that soothes aching areas. Take a slice of the leaf and gently scoop out the pulp with a spoon. Whisk it with a fork until you get a smooth, uniform mixture. Transfer it to a pan. Add a tablespoon of VapoRub ointment, which strengthens and warms. Heat slowly until the ingredients combine into a perfect blend. Pour into a bowl and let it cool. Apply the natural mask to your knee and feel how it relieves pain and supports tissue regeneration. Your knees deserve the best care. Aloe and a bit of warmth are enough to bring relief. Regular use of this mixture is the key to keeping your joints healthy and mobile every day. After a whole day on my feet, I stick cloves to my feet. Let me show you why. It's a simple method that helps you feel relief and relax after a long, intense day. All you need is a handful of cloves. Place a few on the outer side of your foot and secure them with tape. Go to bed with the cloves taped on. Cloves help reduce pain and inflammation, bringing relief after just one night. You can use this trick not only on your feet. Try sticking cloves to your knees too, especially when they feel tired or sore. The result? Amazing. But that's not all. Try walking on cloves as well. It may sound unusual, but it really works. Sprinkle a few cloves on the floor, stand on them barefoot, and gently walk, massaging your feet. It works better than some professional treatments. After a long day when your legs are sore, these little rituals can really make a difference. Your feet will feel rested, relaxed, and ready for the next day. You can take care of yourself in a simple way with everything you already have at home. You can make this simple drink with just 3 natural ingredients. No artificial additives, no chemicals. Start by grabbing a medium-sized pot. First ingredient, cucumber. It's naturally hydrating and contains silica, sulfur, and antioxidants. Slice the cucumber and add it to the pot. Then toss in a handful of hibiscus blend. It gives the drink a vibrant color and a bold, slightly tangy flavor that pairs beautifully with the other ingredients. The third ingredient is lime, a great source of vitamin C. Slice it up and add it to the pot as well. Pour in about a quart of water and let everything simmer for around 15 minutes. As it cooks, the ingredients will release their full flavor and aroma. Once done, strain the liquid through a sieve. Pour it into a glass. You can serve it warm or chilled over ice. Just 1 glass a day is enough to enjoy a refreshing, fruity taste. It'll leave you feeling lighter and more energized. Rub your feet with an onion. Our ancestors only took care of their feet this way. You need to know this method. Take 1 onion, preferably red. This one has the most intense effect. It contains more natural ingredients that support regeneration and detoxification. It has long been used in home health remedies, not only in cooking, but also in daily care. Prepare a simple mixture. Cut the onion into smaller pieces. Place it in a clean, smaller jar. Fill the jar with cold water. Gently mix to release the best properties of the onion. Leave the jar for a few days. Once the onion water is strong, take a cotton pad and soak it in the mixture. Gently massage it into your tired feet. Regular use of this mixture will help reduce swelling, regenerate the skin of your feet, and improve circulation. The onion has natural cleansing properties, and its strong scent acts as a natural detox, helping to remove toxins from your body. Don't throw away your scratched glasses. You can save them like this. You'll thank us for this trick. Your glasses will be like new. Regardless of the type of lens material, glasses can get scratched during everyday use. The good news is that both glass and plastic lenses can be repaired if they are scratched. We'll show you how to do it. You will need 2 ingredients that you always have on hand, and they don't cost much. The first is petroleum jelly. Just ordinary cosmetic petroleum jelly, which many people use. But not everyone knows its wide application. It is famous for its protective properties, and it moisturizes exactly what we care about when it comes to glasses. You only need 1 teaspoon of it. Put it into a bowl and then add toothpaste. An important tip about the toothpaste: you need plain, standard white toothpaste without any gel additives. Mix everything thoroughly. The ingredients must combine well to work. This resulting mixture will repair your glasses. Apply it on both sides of the lenses. Leave it on the lenses for 20 minutes. After that time, wipe the agent from the glass, preferably with a tissue or paper towel. Polish such glasses with a soft cloth, usually included with the glasses. Your glasses will look like new, and the scratches will disappear and no longer interfere with your vision.